Hey guys, and welcome to my new video, Sword Slayer. Today, I'm going to be throwing this wooden airplane from upstairs. And my upstairs is really far. So this airplane, it can fly really well, but I've heard online that they're really crappy. So I'm gonna try it out. Let me know what y'all think, because this could go extremely wrong. So get ready, here I go. Oh shoot! Oh shoot. So if you didn't see what just went on, because this camera is really crappy, so it just flew that way and crashed into the wall and landed right over there. So there you have it, guys. They are very crappy. That brings us to the end of the video. Bye. Oh, Lord, the camera's still going.